Namaskar and good evening. Today we'll take a look at a pharmaceutical company which has produced really good results for Q1. Granules India Limited. Granules India Limited is engaged in the manufacture of active pharmaceutical ingredients or APIs, pharmaceutical formulation intermediates or PFIs, etc. with complete vertical integration. Everything from raw material stage to the finished product stage, everything is covered under Granules India Limited. The company's product range includes active pharmaceutical ingredients like paracetamol, brompheniramine maleate, like that. So many. Methocarbamol, isometheptane base, guaifenesin, metformin HCl, oxymetazoline HCl. So many are there like that. Some more APIs are under development like ibuprofen and glucosamine sulfate. Then pharmaceutical formulation intermediates. Many are there like Compresso, PAP90, CPC, like that. So many are there. Then micro encapsulated products like Compresso Micro PAP92, micro encapsulated ibuprofen, micro encapsulated aspirin. So it is in the business activities of pharmaceuticals, many. The management includes Krishna Prasad Chigurupati, Chairman and Managing Director, Uma Devi Chigurupati, Executive Director, Harsha Chigurupati, Executive Director. So all belong to the same family. Top management, 3 people belong to the same management. Then when I look at the price chart, it's only from August 2019 that there is a significant price rise from 86 levels to the current levels. Otherwise, during the last 5 years, it was languishing. Not much improvement, up, down, etc. between 86 and 110. Granules has 8 manufacturing facilities in strategic locations across the world. Now, when I say that during the last 2 years the price rise was dismal, it doesn't mean that in future it is going to be like that. It has turned the corner, it has expanded its product base and market base also. So in the future could be much better than the past. 1 or 2 small events after the results we need to take into account. One is a press release dated July 3rd. It is voluntarily recalling 12 lots of metformin hydrochloride extended release tablets of some varieties within expiry to the consumer level due to the detection of NDMA levels above the acceptable daily intake limit. So that is a carcinogen. That NDMA is a carcinogen. It is slightly more than the acceptable daily intake limit. Therefore, it has recalled. But in the same metformin hydrochloride, there are other higher level tablets like 500 mg, 850 mg. There the quantity is okay. So that is not affected by this recall. Another significant thing, on July 2nd, the promoters have informed that they have reduced 12.95% of the equity share pledged by Granules India Limited. Post this event, 3.64% of the total shareholders' equity is still currently pledged. The pledge has come down drastically, and the managing director says I will be clearing the rest also shortly. So hopefully the next result, Q2 result, will reflect a very negligible pledge or no pledge. The company has also received ANDA approvals. Several ANDA approvals have been received. Vigobatrin for oral solutions, trospium chloride, butal acetaminophen, and caffeine capsules. Guaifenesin extended release tablets, colchicine capsules, colchicine tablets and capsules both. So, so many ANDA approvals have been received by Granules. Hopefully they will be producing it shortly and selling probably in developed markets like the US. Now, another happy event is US FDA has completed inspection of the Granules Hyderabad facility on 15/2/2020. The government had imposed restrictions on pharmaceutical ingredients export, and that has been lifted. So that will benefit Granules. Now let us go to the results. Net sales for Q1 are 736 crores compared to the previous quarter 600 crores. And compared to Q1 last year, 595 crores. So there is a year-on-year increase of 23.57% and quarter-on-quarter increase of 22.62%. Now, net profit, if you look at that, there are some exceptional items in the previous quarter, 59.77 crores. Likewise, the share of profit from others, that was there in the Q1 quarter, 25 crores. So all these things taken together, net profit comes to, now in the latest quarter there are no such items. Q1 FY21. Here 111.45 crores net profit. Now previous quarter 92.34. And Q1 of last year 83.24 crores. So there is a 33.89% increase year on year and 20.7% increase quarter on quarter. Now if you remove the exceptional items etc., probably the situation is still better. Equity is 24.71, slightly reduced because there was a buyback. 24.71. Earlier it was 25.72. Basic EPS is 4.39 now compared to 3.63 in the previous quarter and 3.27 Q1 last year. So 34% increase year on year, 21% increase quarter on quarter. So net sales have increased 24% year on year and 23% quarter on quarter. Net profit has increased 34% year on year and 21% quarter on quarter. Likewise, EPS has increased. Current market price is around 264, something like that. Price earning based on the latest Q1 basic EPS 4.39 and latest price 264 is price earning is 15. 15 is very moderate, not low, not high, but currently the general impression is Granules is slated for very good progression in the future to come. Now, so the price earning 15 could be low by that standard and there is scope for increase in the market price if market takes into account the future promise. Now 52-week low is 84 rupees, 52-week high is 268 rupees. Now market price is 264, very close to 52-week high. So let us see whether it will go beyond the earlier 52-week high. 264 now, 52-week high is 268. It may go beyond now. It has performed really well. Valuations. Market cap is 6,530 crores. Price earning previous year 14.7. Book value 73.23. Dividend percentage is 100. they are giving 25% interim dividend every quarter, which makes it 100% dividend. Last year also the same thing happened. Industry price earning is 32, whereas here price earning is hardly 15. EPS, so that means there is quite a good scope for improvement in the price. EPS trailing 12 months, if you take it, is 17.96, whereas we have seen price earning now is 15. Now, price to cash is 11.96, price to book is 3.61, dividend yield is 0.38, face value is just ₹1. Now, if you look at historical values, 3 years before, the opening price was 141. Current price is around 260 plus. Now, 3 years before, closing price was 140. Current price is around 260. So, there has been good increase during the last 3 years. Let us hope similar increase will be there in the future also. Future could be even better. Granules has scope unless it makes mistakes and unless international situation changes. Shareholding pattern, if you look at that, promoters are having 42.13, pledge is there 8.64. They have promised to, earlier pledge was 37.62% was there. From 37.62% pledge, they have reduced to 8.64, which is very good. And he has promised he will make it 0. So, Granules is that, and it seems to be progressing very well. Q1 in COVID times also it has produced a wonderful result. Future results could be even better. So, so Granules is a good candidate. Now, whether you will buy or not depends on your portfolio. So, what you have in your, suppose you already have Granules sufficiently, you don't need to buy more. So, always spread over your portfolio over 10 to 15 scripts. That's always good. I'll come back to you with another good share. Generally, I select good shares only. I don't go for shares which have not performed well. Thank you. I'll be back with you very soon.